Today I'm gonna grill some carrots. So I just went and harvested these from the garden. And I just want to show you guys how we clean the carrots.
Hello.
There's Abigail.
This is the thing what you want to do for the beet or the carrots.
Yeah, the potato scrubber. That comes in handy for cleaning the carrots. And here's Reese.
Hello.
He's munching on a carrot. And they just taste so good. So, Reese can't stop eating them. Hello. What I'm doing here is I'm cleaning our carrots. So here's our harvest. Here's all our carrots. I've already done some. And here's my beets that we're working on. So I just harvested these from the garden. What I like to do is I just like to take the carrot and a paring knife and I cut the top of the carrot off and then I cut the little root off. And then Abigail likes to use a rag and scrub the all these little hairs or roots that are on the carrot. Just kind of pinching those off with that. For me, I think it's easier just to kind of pull them off and scrub it with your thumb with a small stream of water going. So these I won't peel. I'll cook them just like this. We don't peel them. We know where they come from. So hold on, Abigail. So they're really good. We just harvested these about 20 minutes ago. Thanks. Okay, so we have just recently finished cleaning the carrots and scrubbing off the little hairs. So now I'm going to take them and just slice them down the middle. I'm going to end up grilling these. So just cut that in there. I have my aluminum here. So we're just going to go through this whole bowl of carrots, getting them prepped and ready for eating. So now I have my aluminum here. So I have all my carrots loaded on here and they're cut. And if they're big, then I'll even do a fourth. So my next step here is what I'm making is I'm grilling carrots. So I've washed them, now I've cut them. Now I just take my olive oil. This is just a light taste olive oil. It's just a regular. And so I just sprinkle it over the carrots. And then my next step is salt and pepper. I like to get a nice coating here because I do have quite a lot of carrots. So after I do that, I want to just shake them around, distribute them a little bit, get that sauce even on all the carrots and the salt and pepper. And so I have too many carrots on this thing of aluminum, so I am going to take another piece and just seal that up. So we will grill these tonight, and I'll show you guys how we do that in the next part of the video. So just sealing this aluminum really tight. Sometimes I will even like double up the aluminum. Just depends on how thick your aluminum is. If you get a hole in here, then that oil is gonna be falling out on your grill. So you might not want that, or if you do it in the oven. So if it's summertime or springtime, I'm using my grill any way possible. I'm grilling everything. So kind of keep my heat out of the house. So we'll be back later. Thanks. All right, so it's grilling time. So we eat about 6, it's 5:15, and I'm going to put my carrots on. So I'm just gonna place them on the top shelf of my grill. I've had the grill on for probably about 10 minutes, just getting it nice and hot. And I like to use low and slow for cooking. So I want to cook these carrots for about 45 minutes. And I'll just rotate them every 10 minutes or so. Probably 8 to 12 minutes to give yourself some grace there. Okay, so I just pulled these off of the grill. It's been about 45 to 50 minutes since they've been on there. So So I'm just gonna pierce the aluminum and get in there and we'll take a look. They look great. Nice and steamy and hot. I just stabbed this fork in, no problem. They taste perfect. So I'll post the recipe on below. Please like and subscribe our channel. And let me know what you'd like me to show you how to cook or how to garden. Thanks.
Okay, so this you might want to buy it for the carrots or something what you're growing. You might want to put water on it and then cut them off to the dirt.
And Abigail has a different method.
Purple and orange.
She likes to use something to help her clean the product. So this is a brand new towel and you're just gonna scrub, right?
Yeah.
She's gonna scrub the carrot with the towel.
And I'm using the potato thing to get the dirt off and clean the head off of it.
Right. So we'll be back later and show you our next step with carrots.